What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to chroma key out the green screen background or any background in CapCut. So let's get right into it. So first what you're going to do is you're going to import your background video clip. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and drag it to the timeline. So now we have a nice background video clip. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to import the clip that you want to remove the background on, or chroma key. So let's go ahead and do that here. And here you can see the clip here uploaded. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the green screen clip and I'm going to go over to where it says Smart Tools on the right hand side. And then I'm going to click on Remove Background and you're going to hit Chroma Key. And then you're going to click this dropper tool and you're going to choose the color that's most prominent. So I don't do it near the edges because it's a little bit darker. So I try to do it where the light source is hitting, which is kind of like around here, I'd say. When you click it, it will chroma key out the background. And of course you can adjust the intensity. As you can see, sometimes it leaves a little green. And if you do it too much the other way, it can also kind of mess it up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it around 60 and I'm going to add a little bit of shadow as well. That should be good. Cool. So now take a look at the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.